Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can manually add supports in Orca Slicer. So of course the first thing that I'm going to do is to just add my project onto Orca Slicer. So let's open up this one, and to manually put supports onto your model, you want to click on the support option, making sure that the enabled support is checked. And then of course you just have to click on this drop down menu and select whether you want the tree manual or the normal manual. In my case, I'm going to be using tree manual. For the grid size or the grid type, I'm going to select the tree hybrid. Now you want to click on your model, and then there's going to be this option that's called support painting. So you just want to click on it, and then it will take us to this window. You can edit out your pen size. And then basically we have two functions, which is the left click and the right click. So the left click will allow us to actually paint where we want our supports to appear. So in my case, it's going to be on the wings itself. It's going to mark it with this green paint right here. And if you want to use the other function, which is going to be the right click, it will actually apply support blockers that will apply this red marking. So in my case, I don't want any supports on the model's face itself. So if we click on the slice plate option, we could see that it successfully applied to the parts where we have painted the supports. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.